Hello everyone, so here we are to another haul, and this time it's going to be a mix of a lot of different things because as I see my basket, I do have things from hair care, skin care as well as a bit of makeup is going on. So do watch the video till the end because you really don't want to miss on the makeup part. I totally understand and I totally relate how makeup can get a person excited. So I will keep that excitement till the end of the video. So without rambling too much and making this intro as long as I always say, making it more longer, let's get started. So I really wanted to show you products from Wow Skin Science, but first up I'm going to show you products from Olly. Now if you have been following me, if you have been seeing my anti-hauls and wishlist videos, as well as if you have been following me on my Instagram, you know how much I have been loving Olly as a brand for skincare. They do only skincare. So Olly had this offer for rupees 1499. You can get 3 products, though I was eyeing one of the products and then I happened to get 2 more because it was definitely a steal deal. So the first product which I happened to get is the Olly's Koala Land Plant Derived Squalane Essence. It is a 30 ml bottle and the cost of this product is 1399. This is how it comes in a bottle. I just don't understand. जब मैं फिल्मिंग करती हूँ तभी मेरे ऊपर वालों को अपना सोफा, चेयर, बेड सब लाना होता है. It's like a mere coincidence. It happens every day. Every time I stand here to film, it happens. I think मुझे एक personal visit देना होगा. Please इस time मत क्या करो ये सब. So the essence is gonna come like this. I really like the packaging. I really like Olly's packaging on all of their skincare product, at least जितने मैंने use किए हैं. I really like how simple, easy to use they are, and yes, they have kept points very clearly that कुछ products pump style में आने चाहिए तो pump में ही आएंगे. ऐसी कुछ भी they are not just selling in the market because they come in a price range of expensive, not affordable. So yes, इसकी cost जैसे मैंने कहा 1399 है और मेरे 1499 में 3 products लिए. So I've still not used it. I am looking forward to use it because I was eyeing a different essence and this really caught my eye. So I was like, अगर ये offer में मिल रहा है then why not just grab it. Next up, another product which I picked up from Olly is the Olly As Good As New Leave-In Night Facial Mousse. Now this is going to cost you, I think, 999 और ये कुछ ऐसे बॉक्स में आता है. एंड लेट मी टेक आउट द जार एंड शो यू बिकॉज जस्ट टू मेक आवर लाइफ इजी मैंने सारी चीज़ें पहले से अलग अलग कर दी हैं. सो ये कुछ इस डब्बे में आता है और जार कुछ ऐसा है. नाउ आई हैव जस्ट यूज दिस वंस द डे आई रिसीव्ड इट जस्ट आउट ऑफ क्यूरियोसिटी. आई जस्ट वांटेड टू सी हाउ इट इज़ एंड आई यूज्ड इट एंड आई रियली लाइक इट. एक बार यूज़ करने से स्किन केयर प्रोडक्ट का कोई आइडिया नहीं होता बट जस्ट टू फील द प्रोडक्ट. सो ये कुछ इस तरीके से है एंड ओ माई गॉड द फ्रेग्रेंस टू इट विल जस्ट मेक यू फॉल इन लव विद इट. येस, इफ़ यू आर अ पर्सन जिसको अपनी पुरानी वीको टर्मरिक वाली क्रीम या वैसी आपकी खुशबुएं याद है तो ऐसी कुछ है इसमें एंड आई रियली लाइक इट. आई जस्ट फील इट इज़ गोना डू सम मैजिकल थिंग्स ऑन माई स्किन. कभी कभी प्रोडक्ट का फर्स्ट अपील भी आपको थोड़ा कॉन्फिडेंस दे देता है प्रोडक्ट में, तो ये मुझे पूरा कॉन्फिडेंस दे रही है बिकॉज अपार्ट from my Glam and L'Oreal, I'm not using any of the moisturizers, so this is gonna be a latest addition because winters are just approaching. Like feel करने लगोगे आप कुछ कुछ जगहों में, तो I need to change up my skincare. So yes, this is definitely gonna be adding to my winter skincare. So light is fluctuating थोड़ा because जैसा कि मैंने कहा मौसम है खराब, कभी धूप है छाँव और कभी ऐसा लगे कि बारिश गिर जाएगी, ऐसा कुछ है. Not a good rap, but we'll just roll in. Okay, next up, a product again by Olly. This was on my wish list and I wanted this because after reading the ingredients as well as after reading how to use this product, I really gained the confidence at that point. And मेरा Olly के विटामिन सी और फेशियल ऑयल के साथ बहुत ही अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस रहा है. So yes, I have high hopes. I've still not started using it because I'm already using something. So do not mix retinols. Please don't do that. That's a very bad idea. So it came in a box like this. इसकी pricing है 999. So technically I got 2 products एब्सोल्युटली फ्री। और इसकी बॉटल कुछ इस तरीके से आती है। इसमें है पोरिटनॉल 2% and youth booster serum and it has a lot of other things also. So अगर पहले मैं इसे यूज़ करूँगी, इसके बारे में थोड़ी और रीडिंग करूँगी, उसके बाद I let you know how I feel about it. But as I said, there are certain brands जिनको देखते ही मुझे वो कॉन्फिडेंस आ जाता है, and Olly is that one brand where that confidence is there. But कभी कभी प्रोडक्ट लगाने के बाद वो कॉन्फिडेंस खत्म भी हो जाता है। So wait for my review. I will definitely update you on this product. कोशिश मेरी पूरी ये है कि ये वीडियो छोटी बने, बट जितनी बातें मैं कर रही हूँ मुझे लग नहीं रहा ये वीडियो 25 मिनट से कम की बनेगी। But let's just run quickly now. So next up I bought 2 products from Wow Skin Science. Wow पे ऑफर था buy one get one. Though I wanted to order more, but थोड़ी मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था I'm getting a little greedy because I love Wow products. मेरा बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस है Wow के साथ. So first up I bought an anti-aging Fuji matcha green tea clay face mask. Now matcha green tea face mask I have used from Clovia. I have a smaller version also now. And I just wanted to include something like this from matcha range. And ये मैं बहुत दिनों से देख रही थी. This is a new one. आपके टाइम सेविंग के लिए और मेरे टाइम सेविंग के लिए मैंने इसे पहले ही ओपन कर लिया है. I have not used it even once. I will use it soon. So this is how the matcha tea face mask looks. Oh, it doesn't have any kind of extreme scent, but वो जो product की खुशबू होती है वो तो रहेगी. So yes, I'm super excited for this one. If you haven't checked out my clay mask video, consider checking it out to know more why a clay mask is important. You should be investing in one. And कई बार आप मुझसे कई बार ये सवाल पूछ चुके हो, क्यों clay mask, कौन सा clay mask, कैसे लगाना है, कैसे करना है, वो वीडियो आपको सब बता देगी. So do check out that video. Next up, a repurchase. मेरा coconut clarifying micellar water finish हो गया था, तो I wanted to restock it. And this is the only micellar water I use for my makeup removal. Yeah. There are many in the market, but I trust that one because this is like a magical micellar water, hydrating, natural. It removes everything from my face. कोई भी मेकअप प्रोडक्ट बोल दो वो सब निकाल देगा. एटलीस्ट मेरा वाला micellar water तो सब निकाल देता है. So I have like a big trust. This is my second bottle, and this bottle is going to last you for a year. Even if you end up wearing makeup like full-fledged makeup like me, at least 3 weeks or 3 days or 4 days a week, this will sustain. And the best part is ये spray format में आता है. So you just have to spray. You don't have to take it on a cotton pad and waste a cotton pad also. So मैं इसको spray करती हूँ, मेकअप मेल्ट हो जाता है और मैं अपने क्लीन वाला स्पंज जो है जो reusable है उससे अपना मेकअप रिमूव कर लेती हूँ. How much we are saving here, and yes, this product works. Reason of me repurchasing is another important thing. ये drying नहीं है. It is a very hydrating micellar water, and it is very difficult to get a hydrating micellar water. So yes, this is like a must-have. Moving on to some Mamaearth. So Mamaearth generally never gives you this offer buy one get one, wherein you can pick both the products of your choice and one is free. Generally buy one get one आता है Mamaearth पे, but you buy a product, they add a product from their side. So this time I was really happy and I could pick 2 products. These 2 products caught my eye. I will tell you why. First up, I picked up Mamaearth Rice Water Hair Mask. Reason being, मैं already एक rice fermented hair mask Nykaa से use कर रही हूँ and I have completely gained interest, as well as I have a trust कि this rice ingredient can actually work good on my hair. It really makes my hair shinier, softer and smoother. Just उस notion में मैंने ये hair mask ले लिया है. And this is how it is. Not used it even once because I'm already using something. It's just that I was like, I would like to use it. So buy it in a good discount, and why to pay like for 2 products where you can get 2 products in one pricing. इसकी costing है $5.99 and I'm eager to use it. So इसीलिए मैंने ये rice water hair mask लिया है. I'll update you how do I feel about it, but my ultimate favorite hair mask by Mamaearth is the Argan one. It worked absolutely wonderful, but you have to be very clear about this one thing, that hair products works differently for everyone. So किसी के लिए ऑनियन वाला बहुत अच्छा है और आर्गन वाला अच्छा नहीं है, आर्गन वाला किसी के लिए अच्छा है तो राइस वाला किसी के लिए अच्छा नहीं है. So you can't be just judging a product कि अगर ब्रॉन्जिंग कीक ने कहा है कि अच्छा है तो मेरे वालों पे अच्छा चलेगा. नहीं, you need to know your hair texture and what your hair wants. Accordingly buy products. That's my responsibility as a good citizen to let you know you're not supposed to buy everything and anything what I use, because my skin is different from yours. Moving on to another interesting product. there's no end to this, is a face mask. So I picked up Mamaearth Retinol face mask with retinol and bakuchi. I think I butchered the name, but let it be. So it is for fine lines and wrinkles, and retinol in general going to work on your fine lines and wrinkle. But face mask, how cool it is. And I have not used it even once. Yeah. So I bought it. I will use it. Maybe this video के जाते जाते अगर मैंने use कर लिया तो I will record it. But अभी तक तो हमने इसमें उंगली नहीं डाली है अपनी. So it is brand new. Oh my god, it looks so pleasing to the eyes, and I just love how it looks. चेहरे पे लगाने के बाद I'll let you know how I feel, because it says retinol, and retinol can go wrong also, but keep finger crossed, let it work, and I'll update you. Next up, a last hair care product, which is again a restock. I always have to have this conditioner, so don't judge me here, because I do use a lot of different shampoos and conditioner. Being a content creator, I do tend to try a lot of different products. That's my job and work, so all is okay, but I still want to have the products which I absolutely love, and they are like my holy grails, just to keep everything in check and balance. So I did repurchase my Matrix Opticare Smooth Straight conditioner. I wanted the big bottle, which is the 1 liter one. They didn't had, so ये मैंने ले लिया. It is expensive compared to the 1 liter. So this is 500. The 1 liter will cost you 1200. So you know how price differences, and this is only 196 grams. So yes, this is expensive, but as I said, this I have to have it in my hair care routine. जैसे अगर मैं 2 हफ्ते में एक बार इसे लगाना, इस यूज़ करना ज़्यादा प्रेफर करती हूँ, because I feel it just keeps everything in check and balance. So yes, a wonderful hair conditioner. If you haven't tried Matrix Opticare conditioner, and if you have treated hair or straightened hair or smoothened hair, you can give a shot to that one. So that was all I had from hair care, skin care, and a lot of different stuff. Now let's move on to some little bitty makeup. So I did happen to pick up few odd things, but first up I picked up a foundation. Now I really have a lot of foundation, but this was on to my list. After watching a lot of reviews, I thought I will definitely get one for me. So this is the Flower Beauty Light Illusion All Day Wear SPF 18 Sunscreen Foundation. I picked up the shade Tony. I think this is the last deeper shade, or there's another shade, and that was too deep. So I thought ये perfect match बैठेगा. अभी तक मैंने use नहीं किया है. I don't know how it's gonna work, but this is like my latest purchase. I could save 30% on the foundation on Nykaa, so I was like, let me just grab it. And yes, इसकी expiry बहुत दूर तक है. So we'll update you on this foundation in some later upcoming new review videos, because I have a few new makeup products which you really want to see how they perform. Next up, Calabar and Jacqueline had a collaboration. They happened to launch few odd products. I happened to pick up 3 on the counter, though I am eyeing 2 more products, but जो मैंने ले लिए हैं वो तो दिखाई दें. First up, I picked up a nail polish, though I was eyeing 3 more shades, because all the nail polishes look stunning. Sometimes I do feel store जाने से आपका दिमाग ज़्यादा खराब हो जाता है. तो जो चीज़ मैं नहीं लेने वाली थी, I picked up this also, and I will add more 2 shades. So you know, store, I feel visiting a store makes you spend more. Yeah, it happens all the time with me. So yes, I picked up this nail paint, and this is in the shade Hot Shimmy 001. It has a lot going on, so I cannot describe the shade. It has olive, it has gold, it has pink, it has red. So it's more of a duochromatic, monochromatic, I don't know, holographic. So सारे graphics हैं इसमें. So whenever I will put it, I will definitely show you how it looks. Next up, I picked up an eyeliner. Now I was literally skeptical, should I be getting an eyeliner? But then when I saw the swatches, she swatched all the shades on my hands, and I was like, oh my god, I need these. So I just picked up 1 shade just to use it once. If I really like it, I'm going to pick up 2 more shades. So I picked up the shade Blue Pleasure 2. It is a nice blue. They have a navy blue also, which didn't appeal me too much, but this one really appealed me. And it comes in a very nice packaging. Oh my god, they have really worked on the outer packaging. And then you get the liner right here, and the color coordination. You have a felt tip, and yes, there you go, you have a nice blue going on. So yes, a nice liner, at least swatching me. I still not worn it on my eyes, just like that. I will wear it but I think I'm gonna love it because I don't wear too many liners like these because I feel the pigment lacks in a lot of brands, but I do feel that these are gonna work. Let's see how it is gonna work. And last but not the least, I picked up a lipstick. Now she has launched 4 shades, and I'll tell you, all the 4 shades would complement Indian skin, but talking about 2 shades, the one I have is Foreplay. There is another deeper shade than this that is definitely gonna be looking good on most of the Indian skin because that's a red. And then there are 2 more shades. One is more of a nude and one is more of a pink. But I'll tell you, do not buy it from Calabar website directly because I have seen those shades in person. They will wash you out if you do not line it with a nice deep lip liner underneath, because those shades are like that. Though I do feel the nude shade would not require any liner on my skin tone, but anyone deeper than me, those 2 shades can be a little too bright or may just wash you out. So to keep that in mind, go to the store and pick up. But this one shade, Foreplay, is going to complement a lot of Indian skin. Sorry girls, I'm not going to swatch it. I don't want to swatch it. This is how Foreplay looks like. Oh my god, the embossing on this is like to die for. Just for the embossing, I don't want to swatch it. I'm just not ready to swatch it, so yes. But I am eyeing that nude shade as well, or the pink one. Red I'm not buying because I have red. I already have a Calabar Sinful matte red lipstick in the shade called Sexy. That is a nice red, so I'm not eyeing the red, but I'm definitely eyeing the other 2 shades. So I will get them from Calabar website because here in the store I couldn't save anything, but on the website I will straight up save 30% if I add 5 products to my cart. So why should I be buying products at full price? So yes, those were the 3 things which I happened to pick up from Calabar. So Calabar counter had a complimentary offer, so they didn't have any discount, but complimentary things you will get. So I could get the Calabar this makeup pouch, which is retailed at 1500 on the website. I got this free. I'm so happy, and I like this pom-pom. It's the huge pouch, huge. Like if you're traveling, you just need this pouch, like you are done and sorted. So that is all I had for this haul. Everything will be linked and listed if you want to buy anything for yourself, but I really have high expectation from all of these products. Some of these are definitely repurchases, but you will know all about some new products in coming review videos. Consider subscribing and following me on my Instagram because I do post a lot of reviews on my Instagram as well. Till then, you take care and I will see you in my next one.